Start by removing the old silicone and preparing the joint so the new caulk will bond properly. Begin by scraping out the existing silicone using a sharp utility knife or a caulk removal tool, working carefully to avoid gouging the tub or tile. Follow with a stiff plastic scraper or razor blade held at a low angle to lift remaining residue. Then wipe the gap with a cloth soaked in rubbing alcohol to remove oils and soap scum. Allow the surface to air dry completely or speed drying with a fan. If the joint is between two different materials or has gaps wider than 1/4 inch, use a backer rod to fill deep voids before caulking, so the bead will have the correct shape and adhesion profile. Apply painter's tape along both edges of the joint to create a clean straight line and protect adjacent surfaces from excess silicone. With the tub or shower filled to its normal water level if the manufacturer recommends it, cut the silicone tube tip at a 45-degree angle and at a size matching the joint width. Load the tube into a caulking gun and apply a steady, continuous bead while moving the gun at an even pace. Immediately tool the bead by running a wet finger or a flexible caulk finishing tool along the joint to press the silicone into the gap and shape the fillet. Then remove the tape before the silicone skins over and allow the sealant to cure for the full time specified on the tube, usually 24 to 48 hours. Common problems include leaving old silicone residue which prevents proper adhesion and causes early failure. Fix this by thoroughly scraping and wiping with rubbing alcohol until no film remains. Another frequent issue is cutting the tube tip too large or too small, which results in messy application or insufficient seal. Match the cut diameter to the joint width and practice on scrap material if unsure. Finally, many people disturb the bead before it cures by using the shower too soon or removing tape after skinning begins. Always verify the full cure window on the product label and wait that long before exposing the joint to water, and remove tape immediately after tooling to avoid pulling cured edges. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare project ideas related to bathroom sealing and maintenance, and we provide a discussion community where people share experiences and ask questions. We help contractors connect with homeowners looking for work and with peers in the community to grow their business.